In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print only selected text or specific pages in a Microsoft Word document. This is a particularly handy skill to have, especially if you find yourself needing to conserve paper, or if you only require certain parts of a document for a specific task. Now, let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, let's begin with highlighting the text you wish to print. Navigate to the portion of the document that you are interested in printing. Click and hold your left mouse button at the start of the text you want and drag it to the end of the section. Once highlighted, you'll notice it's now visually distinguished from the rest of the text, usually by a change in background color. This tells Word that this is the section you want to focus on. Next, proceed to the top left of your screen and locate the File tab. Give it a click, and you'll find yourself in a new menu. This menu has a variety of options related to managing your documents. For our purpose here, you'll want to focus on the Print option in this sidebar, so go ahead and click on Print. You're now in the Print menu, which at first glance may seem daunting with all its various features and settings. But have no fear. It's straightforward once you know where to look. Your eyes should be drawn to the Settings section, which is central to refining what precisely you want to print. You'll notice a drop-down menu, which typically defaults to Print All Pages. This feature is handy when you need the entirety of a document, but for now, we want to zero in on the part you've selected. Click on this drop-down menu, and among the options, you'll see one that says Print Selection. Choose it. By doing so, you're instructing Word that it should only send the highlighted section to your printer. This feature is particularly helpful when only a specific portion of the document is needed, saving you both ink and paper. Now, before finalizing the process, ensure your printer is correctly selected. The menu should show the available printers at your disposal. Select the printer you wish to use, the one that's ready and correctly configured, and double-check that everything looks good on the preview screen. Finally, with everything set, your selected text marked for printing and your printer chosen, it's time to complete the process. Go ahead and hit that Print button. If everything is set up correctly, you should hear the familiar hum of your printer as it brings your selected text to life on paper. And there you have it. You've just learned how to print only the parts of your Word document that you need. This method provides you with the flexibility you need while saving resources, and it's an excellent tool for anyone who frequently works with lengthy documents but needs only select sections in hard copy. Happy printing, and make sure to tune in for more helpful tutorials just like this.